G'day everybody, welcome to the channel. Here we have Steve dressed up as Yoda. Hello Yoda. Steve Yoda. I've just put a blanket around him. Oh, there he goes. He's taking it off. Doesn't want it. Doesn't want to be Yoda. Maybe you want to be Chewbacca. Stay safe everybody. Just playing here with Steve. Good boy, good boy. Do I look so old to your eyes? I do. Master Jedi. I think he's too sleepy. Anyway, stay safe everybody. Yes, I know we're going crazy here in isolation. I'm dressing up Steve as Yoda. All he needs now is a little hoodie. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Anyway, stay safe everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.